broken one right here.
How many slicks do you have to dig before you find that many?
Huh? Are you signing art?
Yeah, we are, dude.
This is insane. You got Harris over here actually getting dirty. He said he wasn't.
Covering his head.
Yep.
Oh, the whole thing.
This tree or
Monogram.
we'll take it. I see a dispensary right here, and I see the cross log, so that means this is going to be a tree.
Hey, let me run that thing.
It's going to be most likely a double collar or a whiskey lip.
Nice.
The hole? Yep. Nice. Look at that. Pick of the day.
Call it dig on that one.
I got you ready. Whiskey lip dispensary.
Trees are popping out, buddy.
Good trees.
And we got an amber right here
Mwah.
in the bucket.
All right, Charlie's down in the hole working on a couple dispensaries right now.
That is fucking crazy.
Be careful with that. Don't do that. Don't wiggle. All right. All right.
One.
Oh, there's one. Yes, dude.
The whiskey. Oh, look at that. That's a strong embossing.
Yeah, it is.
Yep, there's another one.
All right, leave some for us now.
All right. Someone else get down here.
You want to get down there?
There's another one. If you go to right here, there's another one right here.
Oh my god.
This is insane.
Hunters, we have
All right, so Art is in the hole now, taking where all those rums, well, those whiskeys.
Oh my god.
Is that gonna be the amber? Oh,
Yeah, it is. So
rum.
it's a rum. It's a double collar, dude. What is going on right now?
Stacked. Look at all these.
looks like we're entertaining somebody like good liquor.
This is gonna be a broken one.
Yep.
There's one on top of it.
There's another one on top.
Yeah, there's another one on top.
Yeah, we might need to hand dig the rest of this.
Right, that's the one Charlie broke with a probe.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is a rum. Which kind of rum do you want it to be though?
Whiskey.
Slug plate?
Oh,
Yeah, let's do a slug
Let's
plate.
do a slug plate rum?
slug plate. Yeah.
Slug plate rum?
Slug plate.
How is that? The magnolia underneath the rum.
Art, getting a nice Charleston soda.
See that green right in front of it?
All right, let's get Charlie back in the hole.
Yeah, in the hole.
I'm sure
I even got that on video.
We'll work on this amber up here.
You really think it's amber?
I don't know. I mean, if everything else is trees down here, why wouldn't it be?
Looks like the top's there.
Nice. Rum or whiskey?
Can't tell you.
Oh, it's probably more stacked up back there. Is it?
Can't tell you. We have a square bottle in here.
No.
Uh-oh, that's not.
Dang.
This is broke.
Wipe the tree off. There's another one right here underneath of that.
That's got to have a tree on there.
Yeah, this one has a broke top.
Oh, it's a brook.
Yeah. Only because there's another bottle right next to it. Like a ketchup. Plain.
Ah, slick of all that.
Hey, at least the plain was fucking 2 plain bottles.
I'll dig around more.
Right, there's that one, he thinks.
Have a dispensary probed out, ready to come out for my apprentices here.
Rum,
Yes.
nice.
Double collar rum.
That makes what, number 5?
That's 6.
6?
That's 6.
God dang.
Small chip on the base, but the top looks good.
Nice. Is that bubbles in it?
Bubbles or flea bites?
Oh yeah, look at it. You got some seed bubbles.
Heck yeah.
Probably had about $500.
Per bubble, right?
value per bubble.
Yeah, per bubble.
Oh, yeah, nice bubbles.
Nice,
Bubbles, I like
dude.
bubbles. Keep
Nice.
digging, Steve.
Charlie's down back in the hole again. Looks like the next hole.
Jug or something beside it. Yep, the hole.
Under
whiskey.
In the hole. He's the one that keeps pulling it out.
All right, show everybody at home.
Every time we jump in the hole, we stop.
Beautiful.
Got another whiskey lip.
Alright folks, we're about to wrap it up out here. We're cleaning up all the 100+ bottles that we dug today. Charlie meticulously picking up all this garbage that we don't need to put in the pick. But he's doing it anyway. Harris is about there grading the thing.
He's gonna grade all that.
Harris is grading the property right now. Still got a little bit more work to do. I'll run through some stuff of what we found today.
Going live.
Yeah, no. We're gonna probably clean up a lot of this stuff and get some more videos here soon, but the biggest find of the day. You know,
Biggest find.
the biggest find.
Biggest find, best dig I've had dug in a long, long time. Basically,
Yeah, pretty much probably the best dig we've had in years that we've been waiting on for today, pretty much the moment, but this is what we dug.
Okay, wait. So we did find one broken,
Alright.
but then
No. Actually, well, you saw the pictures and the videos of the monograms and stuff that we found. We did find the monograms, and that was the kicker for the day, the start at least. This is what it turned into, though. 10 whiskey lip and double collar rum South Carolina dispensary bottles. All of them but one, except the one Charlie just held up, has a broken top. The other ones are just near mint, it looks like. This is a crazy day. Crazy day. All right, guys, day 2 of the dig, the epic dig from yesterday. We got Harris down here still, Charlie. Just kicking it back, watching him fill in the first trench. First trench produced a couple good things. A couple Germanians, a couple overseas, we don't know what they are yet. First dispensary popped out. Straight side coke. We're hoping to find some craziness today like we did yesterday. What's crazy is we just found this like not even 5 minutes ago. I just washed it off and that thing is mint. Like, no need to excess clean. It has the cork still in it. Like, that's how it came out of the ground. Quick little wash. That's crazy.
Bottles. That's it. No crash. Fucking weird. Yeah, we still have this whole strip to go.
Here's something we don't see on every dig.
I've never seen
That's nothing but bottle caps. All bottle caps. This whole bucket is nothing but bottle caps. I mean, they're corked, or what are they?
Spotted something. Yeah, it's got top, this hole. Tree monogram. Monogram. Yeah,
They will take it.
yeah. Nice.
All right, wrapping up day 2. This is the epic dig that we've been waiting on for God knows how long. We dug this whole lot, did multiple different trenches down it. We found probably close to 300-400 bottles, if not more. A lot of it's just run-of-the-mill common stuff. But we did get a couple decent things, especially yesterday. But today, probably the best thing that we found was this Vincent Chico's dealer in fancy groceries from Charleston. It's a merchant jug, a little scratch jug. Unfortunately, it's missing the handle on the top. Got a lot of Charleston stuff. Two monogram dispensers today as well. Nothing killer on those, unfortunately. And a lot of normal, random, common stuff. It still is fun digging. So, until next time.